How to create a logo or profile photo for your YouTube channel. Within your YouTube studio, go to the left-hand side and scroll down to customization. Then branding. It's recommended that it be at least 98 by 98 pixels, 4 megabytes or less, and either a PNG or a GIF. So I'm going to open Photoshop and create a new project, and I'm gonna make it 640 by 640, which are very specific dimensions, but I choose those because I think it will still be a small enough file size. As you can see, 1.17 megabytes, and also because of the sizes of the images I want to put on this project. I'll explain that a little bit further. For now, I'm just gonna click OK, and here is my canvas. So for my channel art, I have these different pictures. I have a cell phone, a computer, headphones, and a Nintendo Switch. If I click on one of these images and click Command I, the dimension of this specific image is 160 by 160. If you take 160 and multiply it by 4, that's 640, which means I'll be able to fit all 4 of these pictures side by side on my canvas. So I'll take each picture and click and drag it onto my canvas. Cell phone, computer, headphones, and Nintendo Switch. So now I have all 4 of them, and I'm just going to make a collage. And there we go. So this collage is going to be my background. Then I'm going to select my channel colors. If I go over to my swatches, it is this blue, and then switch the colors, and this red. So now I have both of my colors selected. I'm going to go to my text tool, click on the image, and type DT for direct text. And I'm going to adjust the size of the text, click Command A, and then adjust the font size. Then I'm going to center it, and now I'm going to switch to red, go to the paint bucket tool and change the T to red. The first time I click it, it's going to tell me to rasterize the layer. Click OK. Click the T again, and there we go. Then I want to put a drop shadow on the letters. I have a tutorial on that on my channel, and there we go. So that is going to be my logo and my profile picture for my channel. So go File, Save As, change the format to a PNG. I'm going to name it logo and save. Okay. Then go back to the channel customization page, click Upload, find your logo. As you can see, even with the dimensions, it's only 130 kilobytes, still a very small file size. Then click Open. It's going to crop it to a circle, so this is what is going to be visible. Click Done, and then Publish. And see, now that purple D has changed to my channel logo. And if I go to my channel page, here is my new profile picture. So that is how you design and upload a logo and or profile picture to your YouTube channel.